Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu, welcome back to i-channel yami. Usahleli nogogo intombi endala ugogo Patricia. So namhlanje bantu abadala sizokhuluma ngomoya wamakhosi. Umuntu othi gogo mina ngiye ngihambe ngitshelwe ukuthi nginomoya wamakhosi. Right, umoya wamakhosi ubalekile bantu abadala. Kwabanye kuthola ukuthi mhlambe ikhehla elingene kuwena lale kwakuyinkosi in real life, you understand. I don't know if ivela kahle kodwa I have to wear my glasses because ring lights iyangiqhopha and nginenkinga yamehlo, so ngiyaxolisa ngaloko mangabe uyayibona i-reflection la eyibukweni. So kuthola ukuthi ikhehla elingenile kwakuyinkosi noma wena ubuya ebukhosini, uyingane yasebukhosini, so kuvamsile ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ube nomoya wamakhosi. Kuyenzeka ukuthi futhi ungenwa amakhosi asemanzini. We know that there's ruling noma there's chief spirits when it comes to the spiritual world, right? So kunezimpawu zomuntu othi gogo mina nginamakhosi mina, right? Izimpawu zakhona ukuthi uye uphuphe izingwe, amalephadi, amachita, right? Those are some of the dreams that you would dream of that are obvious. Yes, kwesinye isikhathi uzophupha lekhehla, but sometimes you can't differentiate ukuthi lekhehla elasebukhosini, or sometimes uzoliphupha likutshele lona directly ephupheni ukuthi thina singamakhosi, yabo siza nobukhosi, right? So amakhosi awathwaselwa, right? Amakhosi ayazenzela. Reason being, inkosi ayikhothameli nanoma ubani. Ngoba wena mawuya kagobela uyogoba, uyoguqa, uyoshaya umthetho waleyo ndlu. So lenkosi ekuwena ayikwazi ukuguqela lo muntu, ayikwazi ukuthobela lo muntu ngoba yona ngokwayo it's the chief spirit. Yeah, understand, kuyinkosi, inkosi ayithobeli nanoma ubani. That's why most of the people abanamakhosi kuye kube nzima ukuthi umuntu akuhlolele, noma kuye kube nzima ukuthi umuntu akusize, ngoba lo moya ufuna wona ukuzenzela, ufuna umuntu omamelayo, ukutshele wona ukuthi yenza 1 2 3 4. Understand? And abantu masibaqedile into zabo ukuthola ukuthi osebenza ngamakhosi kuyakhonakala ukuthi line, let's say line, there's 50 people outside bazohlola, afike nje athi kule 15 ngicela lo number 15 ngizosiza yena namhlanje, then number 15 angene bese aphuma athi hayi nonke ngiyabonga, buyelana ekhaya ngicedile, ngoba inkosi ayisizi nanoma ubani. Take it in practical terms, right? Mangabe wena kutshontshiwe kwakho, right, bayakutshontshela, babreaka in, Cyril Ramaphosa cannot get involved, cannot say, call the state of the nation and say, no, Gogo Patricia ucegezelwe or in. Amaphoyisa ayangena, right? Then, mangabe umphakathi kuzongena maybe ikhansela, kungene whoever abangenelelayo ukuthi maybe if into enhluphayo emphakathini. But if kwayenzakala ukuthi kube ne shutdown, kugcekezwe imizi South Africa lelo langa yey up and down, leyo yinto edinga ipresident ukuthi address urgently, right? Khana zongena. So inkosi ingena only if something iyamudinga, right? Namaphupho aza ngamakhosi, ungaphupha omndawo, ungaphupha bonke, ungaphupha konke, kodwa bona mangabe bazoletha umlayezo okucwayisayo, beza ngoba kuyaphuthuma ene kudingeka inkosi ukuthi ivele. You understand? So umuntu onamakhosi uye aphuphe ama-president, umuntu athi ay gogo mina ngaphupha uShaka for instance, mina ngaphupha uCyril Ramaphosa, mina ngaphupha inkosi yase-England, maybe uQueen Elizabeth or ubani, whoever. Then you know ukuthi okay, amakhosi lawo bekuyiphupho lawo. Now you have to pay attention ukuthi kule phupho kwakenzakalani, yini lo mlayezo abazama ukunginikeza wona. You understand? So amakhosi guys umoya obalekile, and amona amakhosi abantu bakhona uye kuyekuthiwe omakhosi. Yes, ngi understand ukuthi now everybody is thokoza gogo, but omakhosi most of the time emakhosini bayede, You understand? So those are some of the signs that you will have ma uyingane yamakhosi. Then uye uhambe uye ube nebhayilengwe. We understand? So kuzodepend ukuthi wena unamakhosi anjani. Kunamakhosi wentaba, kunamakhosi asemanzini. There's different types. So kodwa lokho sojula ngakho as the time goes by, because it's different gifts for different people. Emakhosini bayede. If you've got any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and ngiyabonga emakhosini bayede.